Welcome to my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0. Thanks much on continuously watching my videos, subscribing to my channel and sharing with your network. With your great support and continuous motivation, I also completed 8 series video series with almost 60 videos now with all your support. And we achieved this great feat within last 3 months. And again, I am very thankful to all the viewers and all the supporters of my video channel, Marketing 5.0. And I expect the same for the future series also. So far we released 8 series starting from marketing strategy, cleared or explained series, then technology in marketing, then we have marketing innovation series, which is a big one like marketing today, and we have our know your consumer, then sustainable marketing, and now we are talking about marketing today, trouble times. This series exclusively dedicated for the present times, what we are facing, and what are the marketing aspects which the company can focus on, and how they can come out of this situation, and how they can sail through in this very successful. So I have finished all the videos in this series, the marketing today. So this is an introduction video. So please watch this introduction video in the playlist in the order which I am showing now. So if you start, actually the first video you should watch, marketing today trouble times, is the first video you should be watching. We talk about the trouble times, the aspects which the consumers, the company, everybody through how the company need to sail through these trouble times. The second video we talk about the consumer mindset, is another video which talks about the mindset of consumers, how the consumers behave in these tough times, trouble times, and how the company needs to focus on gaining the confidence of consumers, keeping the confidence and winning their trust. So third video we released is marketing today business trends, which is the third video we released. Which in this we talk about the different business trends all over the world or within the country, the different industries, how the industry is doing, going through the process. Then the fourth video we released is marketing today, the agile organization. It is about how the organization need to be agile, slim, trim, and fit, and in these trouble times, because things are very low here, and how the company can manage this particular situation by keeping the organization slim, trim, and fit, and agile, and focus on the aspects which will strengthen and help the company to come out of the situation. And the next video we released is marketing focus. In this marketing focus, we talk about both the market and marketing, about different markets and marketing aspects which the company needs to go through. So this is the thing we discussed. Then the next video is a popular demand video where the consumers demanded, viewers demanded this to talk about the efficacy of digital versus direct marketing during these trouble times. So we discussed in detail in this. Please watch this video. And next one is a technology, how the company can make use of technology and come out of these trouble times, and what are the aspects they have to focus. So it is not only for the big companies, it's also for micro companies. So everybody is need to focus on technology, because now that consumers are accessible to technology and they are becoming tech savvy. So it is very important for company to be in the technology side. Then the other video we released is the strategies for trouble times. This is also the most wanted video which most of the viewers looking for. What are the strategies the company can use this in these trouble times, and how they can manage, and how it can be used for different companies. Then we also released the recap of the entire videos we released, and what is forward, how the company can cope up, the way forward. See, this scenario will not be there forever. It's always a change. We always believe change is constant. So that is why what kind of lessons the company learned through this situation, this scenario, and how they can make use of it in the future, in the normal times, or if they face any similar times in the future. So this is what this video talk about. So in this, you see, we released almost 9 videos under this Marketing Today series. It's one of the big series like Marketing Innovation series. So once again, thank you very much for your continuous support and your valuable inputs, feedback, uh, and without which actually I would not have achieved all these things. It's almost we reached 60 videos in a very short span of time, and it is very vital to say without your continuous support, I could not have achieved it. So please share with your network and ask your friends, relatives, your colleagues to subscribe to the channel. We will get a benefit of instant alerts. And in future, I am planning to release the live videos based on the requirements of consumers, the viewers, and also I need inputs about the the type of series you want me to release in the days to come. So once again, thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0 and watching all my video series. Please continue to watch and please continue to support.